Hey everyone! I know there is a lot of scam content out there about making money with crypto. That is exactly why I made this video, to show you what actually works. If you're like me, you've probably been searching for a way to get into the crypto game without breaking the bank. Well, today I'm excited to share with you my personal strategy for earning real money with crypto. Airdrops. I've been using this method for a while now, and I've made some serious cash, over $200, to be exact. And the best part? I didn't have to invest a single penny. You can do the same. And I'm about to show you how. First, let me show you some proof that this method actually works. As you can see, I've withdrawn $150 in real cash from my crypto wallet. This is not a screenshot from a fake account or a manipulated image, this is my actual withdrawal. Proof. I want to establish some credibility here, because I know there are a lot of skeptics out there. But trust me, this method is the real deal. Now, let's get started with the basics. What are crypto airdrops? Exactly? In simple terms, an airdrop is when a cryptocurrency project distributes free tokens to a large number of wallets. This is usually done to generate buzz and get more people involved in the project. It's a win-win situation. The project gets more attention, and you get free crypto. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. I've been participating in airdrops for a while now, and I've made some serious cash. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step guide. To start claiming tokens, you'll need to download the OKX Wallet app. This is a reputable and trusted wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Solana. Once you've downloaded the app, create a new wallet and make sure to save your seed phrase in a safe place. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Solana network and find the airdrop section. This is where you'll find all the available airdrops, along with the terms and conditions for each one. Make sure to read the rules carefully, because some airdrops may require you to complete certain tasks or hold a specific amount of tokens. Now, let's talk about some pro tips to maximize your earnings. One thing I've found is that having multiple wallets can increase your chances of getting selected for airdrops. This is because some projects may limit the number of tokens you can receive per wallet. By having multiple wallets, you can essentially stack your chances of getting more tokens. Another tip is to keep an eye on the airdrop calendar and plan ahead. Some airdrops may require you to hold tokens for a certain amount of time before you can claim them. So it's essential to stay organized and keep track of your holdings. This is the mistake I made when I first started, and I do not want you to make it too, not keeping track of the airdrop calendar and missing out on potential earnings. I've also learned that it's essential to do your research and only participate in airdrops from reputable projects. There are a lot of scams out there, so make sure to read reviews and do your due diligence before joining an airdrop. Now, Let's talk about my earnings. As I mentioned earlier, I've made over $200 with this method. In fact, I've withdrawn $400 in the past month alone. This is real money. And it's money that I wouldn't have made if I hadn't taken the time to learn about crypto airdrops. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to start earning real money with crypto airdrops, I'll leave a link to get started in the description below. It's completely free, takes about 2 minutes to set up, and you can start claiming tokens today. I check this platform every single day, and it has never let me down. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Peace.